I'm Amrit Singh, a herbalist, yoga teacher and therapist with 30 years experience, and I've developed Tea Within Me. If you like tea, coffee or chocolate, but would like to give them up or have less, Tea Within Me is for you. Cleanse and stimulate your liver with the Teacher's Blend. It has a taste similar to coffee but contains turmeric and dandelion. Instead of kick-starting your heart, gently elevate it with the Leader's Blend. This formula contains beetroot and hawthorn. Focus your mind and improve digestion with our Master's Blend, especially if you like lemongrass and ginger. The Artist's Blend is to expand and protect your lungs, and it contains lemon myrtle and elderflower. Charge and strengthen your kidneys with the Wise Ones. This blend contains cinnamon and schizandra and has a subtle chocolatey flavour. There's a whole world inside you. Go within.